Welcome to Maxon's channel! Today we have a Lego of the Stygimoloch.
It's Stygimoloch Dinosaur Escape.
We have to open this. We have this. So we'll cut it out.
Okay.
This Stygimoloch. Next arm. Here. With the arms. Got 4 of the instructions. Any of these.
Now we'll make this one first, okay?
Okay. Here.
Smile.
Come here. Do you hear me? Come here. Slide down like this.
Yeah.
Bumpy.
Yeah. Okay.
I will slide down like itu maunya pupuk.
Now let's do this one. Now let's make this one.
cage.
Escape! It escaped!
Oh no, it's trying to broke the cage. We have to fix that quick. I know what to do.
Peacock, peacock, peacock.
We'll just put the leaf right here and wait for it to come.
Ooh, where are you luring, Stygimoloch? Oh, it enters the cage.
Close the gate. Oh, it's almost finishing. Hooray!
Beep bop, beep bop, beep bop.
Correct. Claire, do you really got us in trouble? No. But Simon Masrani said you have to bring it faster. So you have to bring it faster.
Faster, faster, faster.
Okay. Carousel, carousel. Go to the carousel.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
Accident happened.
Did it?
Open the gate again. Transport the Stygimoloch.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Oh no!
We cannot go.
No, the Bumpy, the Bumpy. Bumpy! Bumpy!
We're at the carousel? Alright, okay, let you off. Uh-oh, the sticky one broke it. Not again.
Stygimoloch on the loose.
But this is carousel for the people watching it.
Okay.
Some people get in the carousel and they run, go into it.
Uh-oh. They're hiding.
You're from the Stygimoloch. Like the movie says.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
The Jurassic World.
Oh, we have the fence. But we have the electric.
Electric fence.
Electric fence, so it cannot get out. How will we get to the carousel first? Mr. Masarami said it. I know. Just give him some carrots a bit.
Yum, 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 yum.
Jurassic will sign. Get them back to my truck so you don't get broken. Thanks again. Bumpy, come with me too.
This baby Bumpy.
We need all the sleepy dogs, so we can kill all the dinosaurs in the jungle.
Bumpy slides here. Bumpy slide.